Welcome to Photoshop tricks under 2 minutes. Click on Edit in Quick Mask mode. Use the brush tool, and select the elements that you want to remove. Once you are done, click Edit in Quick Mask mode to go back to standard mode. You will notice that there will be a marquee on the elements that you want to remove. Go to Select and choose Inverse. Next, go to Edit, then choose Fill. In your Fill settings box, make sure Content Aware is selected. Then click OK. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.